Hyungjun. I went to Europe last summer with my family. That was my first travel abroad, staying for 2 weeks. The airplane took off Incheon Airport and landed at Schiphol Airport in Netherlands. My dad drove to a hotel in Belgium. Belgium has a lot of beautiful cities, such as Brussels, Namur, Dinant, Leuven, Ghent, Antwerp, and Brugge. We could easily travel by train. It was free of charge for children. The best city in Belgium was Brugge. After enjoying Belgium, we moved to Amsterdam in Netherlands. Amsterdam is the biggest city in Netherlands and has many cars and museums. Bangu Museum is the best place to visit, and we enjoyed lots of famous paintings. Afterward, we went to Paris in France. The most famous thing in Paris was Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower was very crowded by tourist people, and so we had to queue and wait for 2 hours. However, the night view on the Eiffel was so beautiful. Looking back on my first travel to Europe, I learned one important lesson. I was too shy to talk with foreign people, and my English